Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is concerned with well-being and natural health. For today's video, I'm going to tell you what's going on in your body an hour after drinking Coca-Cola. The first 10 minutes you just ingest 10 teaspoons of sugar or 100% of your daily dose. You do not feel the urge to vomit because the phosphoric acid in the drink masks the taste. "20 minutes later your blood sugar level explodes, which creates a spike in insulin. Your metabolism responds by turning sugar into fat. 40 minutes the caffeine absorption is finished. Your pupils dilate, your blood pressure increases. Your face responds to these stimuli with a production of sugar. The adenosine receptors that manage your energy metabolism are now blocked to prevent drowsiness. 45 minutes, your body produces dopamine and stimulates pleasure-related areas, as in all mechanisms linked to drugs or alcohol. "60 minutes, phosphoric acid binds to calcium and zinc present in your intestine, whose reaction creates another boost in your metabolism. This situation is exacerbated by large doses of ingesting sugar and artificial sweeteners, which increases urinary excretion of calcium. All the 60 minutes, the diuretic properties, makes you want to pee. Caffeine comes in. You're going to get the calcium, magnesium and zinc that was intended for your bones. And you literally left in the toilet all the water contained in the Coca-Cola by evacuating all the nutritive elements useful to your body, and in addition you will surely be a little excited, even irritable. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be sure to receive my next video. Leave me your opinion in a small comment. See you soon on my next video.